Okay, now after taking the image from the height mapper, I think it's in, yeah, this is the picture. Click and drag. I don't think we should. Now let's open the material editor. Okay, let's open the material editor. To open it, we can simply press the M on the keyboard for it's a soft shortcut for that. But or we can get it from the toolbar as well. Go to rendering menu at the top of the screen. Click on the material editor. Oh, sorry. See, it's here. Material editor. So this is the compact material editor, and this is slate material editor. So right now we need slate material editor for this. After opening the slate material editor, we can drag the portrait image from height mapper. Oops, wait, I think to this side, to this material editor. See, we got this map here. After that, we have to go to the modifier and then search the displays modifier. Then see this parameters window has opened. Now we can see the width map and map here. So just connect this map to the map one. How is it? Okay, so we have added the height mapper here, and now we have to check the height that we took in the height mapper was 3293. So what I did, I put the height I took from the height mapper in the displacement strength and then enter. Then this is how it looks like. The height is too much, but to understanding it's better. Now after this we can search here the PVR. Now after searching the PVR in here, we're gonna drag this to here. Let's press hit. See, this window has been opened here. After that, what we're gonna do is not this. Just click and drag this and attach it to the object. After this, we're gonna search. Let's default shading. Yeah, this is default shading, and then we're gonna search. After that, here we're gonna search HDR, and this thing gonna open. So we can search any environment as per our wish. So what I'll gonna look for, let's go for this epping. So this is the map 2. So this map number 2 is the epping environment that I chose. Then just go to the rendering, go to environment, drag it here and connect this thing to none. Wait. Yeah. Why it is not? Yeah, like this. Okay. So now you can see map number 2 has been attached here. Now we're gonna close this window, and from here we can change the height of the forest, tilt, appearance, contrast. Let's change the contrast as per our wish, viewport, tint, everything we can change, background, ground protection, whatever we want as per our requirement. So that's how we can apply material to our object. So this, as you can see, the environment epping forest has been applied to this in the environment of this object. So in next video I'll gonna show you some more things about 3ds Max. So see you then. Bye bye.